In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect responses with Smartsheet forms. Submission Tracking 2026. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual credentials. Depending on your organization, you might use single sign-on. Once you're in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage, which shows your most recent items and anything you've marked as a favorite. On the left, you'll see navigation for workspaces, browse, and more. We're going to work from a specific sheet that will store the form submissions. Click Workspaces, then choose the workspace where your project or process lives. If you're not sure which one to use, look for the workspace that contains the sheet your team already uses for tracking. Open that workspace, then select the exact sheet where you want responses to appear. The sheet needs to be open before you can manage its forms. Once the sheet is open, look toward the top toolbar for the Forms option. If you don't see it, double-check that you're in a sheet, not a report or dashboard. Click Forms, then choose Manage Forms. This opens the Form Manager for the sheet you're working in. In the Form Manager, select the form you want to use to collect responses. If there are multiple forms tied to the sheet, pick the one that matches your intake process. Click Edit to review the form. Make sure the fields line up with your sheet's columns. Set the right fields as required. And tidy up labels and help text so submitters know exactly what to provide. You can adjust field order to match your workflow and add a confirmation message so people know their submission was received. Clear, concise field names improve data quality and make your sheet easier to analyze. When everything looks good, click Share Form. Here you can copy a shareable link, grab a QR code, or adjust access settings based on your plan, such as limiting access to people in your domain or collecting email addresses. Copy the link and share it with your audience through email, chat, or your internal portal. To start collecting responses, have someone open the link and submit the form. Each submission is added instantly as a new row in the sheet you opened. You can watch the rows appear in real time to confirm it's working. Quick tips to streamline tracking. Send yourself a test submission to verify columns capture the right data. Use appropriate column types in the sheet, like drop-downs and dates, to enforce consistent inputs. Add a simple source column if multiple teams are using the same sheet, and if needed, set up notifications so you're alerted when new rows arrive. And that's it! You navigated to the right workspace, opened your sheet, managed and edited the form, shared it, and confirmed that submissions flow directly into your sheet for reliable centralized tracking.